Umzantsi Afrika ulungiselela ukungena kwinqanaba lesine lokumiswa ngxi kweentshukumo. Amaqela ezopolitiko avakalise inkxalabo yawo phambi kokuba liqalise elinqanaba lesine, nalapho urhulumente ezama ukuvula uqoqosho noluqhwalela kanobom ngenxa yokumiswa ngxi kwezintshukumo.
Igciwane i-COVID-19 lithikameza isimo somnotho wezwe. Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngesonto eledlule uphoqelekile ukwenza imizamo yokubuyisela isimo somnotho esimweni ngokuthi kuxagiswe imithetho ye-lockdown. Kanti-ke izimboni ezithile zizoqalisa ukusebenza ekuqaleni kukanhlaba. Imithetho emisha ye-lockdown imenyezelwe nje, kanti ziyaqhubeka ngokunyuka izibalo zabahaqwe yileli gciwane i-COVID-19. I-IFP yona isihlabe yasihlikiza isenzo sokuvulwa kwamabhizinisi.
Furthermore, the IFP calls on business to ensure that only those people who are of vital and essential importance to the functioning of their businesses are actually allowed back at work.
Kanti-ke iCope ithi kumele bonke abasebenzi banikezwe izimfanelo ezifanele ukuze bazivikele kulolu bhubhane legciwane.
We must not rush into a storm that is busy building. We are very much concerned about the health and safety of these workers.
I-EFF yona isigxekile isenzo sikahulumeni sokuthi kuvulwe amabhizinisi, yathi lokhu kuzobeka engcupheni abasebenzi kakhulukazi laba abalibala elinsundu.
We can't think of reopening the economy. So President Ramaphosa, I don't really know what excited him to even think of reopening the economy, because he's putting the lives of black people in particular in danger.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi okhulumela i-ANC uPulemabe uthi konke kume ngomumo, wathi ukuphepha kwabasebenzi kumele kube yinto esemqulweni.
It does appear as if there is a plan that makes the country ready, especially including the things that corporate South Africa is expected to do to comply with the East lockdown.
Kanti-ke izakhamuzi nazo zinikiwe ithuba lokubeka uvo lwazo ngemgomo emisha ye-lockdown. NguSamkelo Maseko, ezindabeni ze-SABC, eGoli.